Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to log out of Instagram. First of all, open up the Instagram app. Once you get into your Instagram account, click on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. And tap on Menu from the top right corner and go into Settings. Then click to see more in Account Center. Now click on Password and Security from Account Settings. After that, tap on the Where You're Logged In option. Click on your account to see what devices are used to log in to your accounts. You can see the device where your account is logged in. Go back to Settings, scroll down and click to log out your account. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.